What's up, guys? So, the thing I've been waiting for is finally here, and I cannot wait to show you. Ever since I was a child, I remember that I could hardly wait to go to my grandparents' farm. It had horses, cows, pigs, fishing, and all the smells and atmosphere of a typical American farm. My siblings and I absolutely loved it. He always told us stories about the building of our country and that we should honor our ancestors, the place where we live, and our flag. He even tried to teach us how to fold the flag correctly whenever it needed to be replaced with a new one. He even went so far as to show us how, but since there were 3 of us, we always ended up getting all mixed up. So he would just laugh and let us do it our own way after all. He once told us that in some places they would receive these old flags and they would be cremated alongside fallen soldiers as a way of honoring both. I thought that was the coolest thing. And from that day forward, I promised my grandfather that I would do this. I have already passed this tradition on to my children, and I hope that all Americans share the love for our country that my grandfather taught me to have. Grandpa, I know you are with Jesus now, but we are down here making things happen. Love you. God bless America.